Tonight's weather report brought to you by Suncorp, building a more resilient Australia.
Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Queensland is suffocating in conditions so intensely humid that a short stroll feels like swimming through warm butter. Enormous reserves of water vapour are fueling massive inland thunderstorms expected to zone in on the coast tomorrow and Friday before the ultimate cool windy change we're all bracing for. Biggest local rainfall was Kumbalumba on the Tablelands, 96 millimetres. Mount Garnet nearby had 76 mils. Gordonvale near Cairns, 53 mils, and Cooktown picked up 37. 24 to 33 degrees the temp range in Cairns today, with humidity a stifling 74% at 3 o'clock this afternoon. In Mareeba the top today was 32. Let's look at the satellite loop now. Storms got going early today. We've got this tropical air mass that I've been talking about. You'll see in a moment a trough that's drawing air from the Arafura Sea all the way across the top end through central Queensland. It's so humid and tropical that thunderstorms are literally just exploding spontaneously. Warnings all over the place, but most of the action so far has been inland, although south of about Fraser Island we're seeing those storms move to the coast as well. Tomorrow, the bulk of the storm activity will be in the southeast, especially near the coast, and it'll start to move into the tropical inland, and finally Friday, Saturday, it'll reach the tropics before finally clearing out. Let's have a look at today's chart. There's the inland trough, and there's the clockwise winds around the low that's drawing in that tropical air mass. I'd call it a monsoonal air mass. Really, it's so moist and unstable that it's producing these widespread thunderstorms. Tomorrow's chart, the trough comes into eastern Queensland. This is the stormiest day in the southeast on the outlook chart. A big southeasterly change comes in behind the trough, cooling things dramatically, but that won't reach the tropics until later. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters, northwest to northeast winds just 10 to 15 knots tomorrow, northwesterlies on Friday, and then on Saturday a south-southeasterly change, but only up to 20 knots. We're on the tail end of a colossal tidal peak, one of the biggest this year, but with the new moon now behind us, we'll hopefully start seeing smaller tides. North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, showers and thunderstorms tomorrow with Cairns 25 to 33 degrees, 29 for Atherton, Innisfail 33 and Mareeba 31. Looking ahead for Cairns, hot and humid with showers and storms threatening for the entire outlook period, and Friday to Sunday especially, we're expecting the biggest rainfall totals. For Atherton, much the same as Cairns, slightly cooler of course, but not by that much. But from Saturday onwards, back to the mid to high 20s. Well, that's all for tonight, folks. Pleasure to have your company once again, and thank you for watching 7 Local Weather. I will be back tomorrow with more on this latest chapter in the weather, and I hope you can join me then. But for now, it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Good on you, mate. Thanks for your company, folks. Catch you tomorrow night.
And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7 Plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, good night.
Good night.